Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen and I am getting ready to go on a hike. So Texas just got over this crazy ice storm that we've been dealing with all week long. School was actually canceled for like the whole week, so I've been locked up in the house for the whole week since Monday, and today is Friday, but the sun finally came out, so I am gonna take advantage of this beautiful day and go on a hike, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So I am just gonna talk about like what I'm wearing today, because it's very cold outside today. It's supposed to be in the 40s, but it is sunny, so that's nice. So I am wearing this Lululemon long sleeve shirt. It's really soft and nice. Shout out to Lululemon for sending this to me, but it is very soft and warm. And then I am wearing my Fabletics leggings. Show y'all. These are very warm. They're winter leggings. And I'm also wearing some Darn Tough socks, and I am gonna wear these with some boots. I don't like hiking in boots, but I know the ground is gonna be wet from all of the rain and ice and snow, so I'm definitely gonna wear these boots out there. I'm so happy to finally get out of the house, you guys, because I've been inside for a whole week now. It feels like I think it was a whole week, because it was from Monday night until yesterday, which was Thursday. I actually was able to like go out and go to the store, but it's gonna be nice to actually go out and go on a hike. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along my adventures. So I'm also gonna wear my Mountain Hardwear down jacket. Got this on sale last year after winter, because that's when all the sales are. But it's super lightweight, very warm. One thing I also love about this is that it packs into this pocket right here, so it's really good for traveling. But yeah. So I found this hat. Is called Beautifully Warm. That's the name of the brand that sells this hat, but this hat is so warm. It's satin lined, which is really nice. It just like nice and silky satin, so if you're worried about like your hair getting messed up, you don't have to worry about that. So that's why I love this hat. I got it on Amazon, and it's pretty affordable, I think, but it's super warm and it keeps my hair from getting really frizzy or messed up, so I love that. Okay, I think I'm all set, ready to go on this hike, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Hey guys, so I made it out here. I am at Lake Grapevine. This is the Horseshoe Trail, and it is so beautiful out here. I'm so happy I decided to come outside today. It is cold, but it's not as cold as I thought it would feel. Maybe it's the down jacket, but it feels so amazing. I love the sound of nature. The birds are chirping. Kind of next to a road, so you can kind of hear the cars, but it's still beautiful. The trail is pretty wet from all the ice melting, but I have on my boots, so that helps. So right now I'm like right here, and I'm gonna go all the way. I'm gonna see how far I can get. Obviously I'm not gonna do the whole loop, but we'll see how it goes. This is my second time here, and I discovered this place last year, and I remember just thinking like, oh, this place is amazing. I'm gonna come back, and then never came back until now. So here I am again hiking in Grapevine, and it's so beautiful and peaceful. There's not a lot of people today, and I imagine there's probably not going to be a lot of bikers. This place is very popular for bikers. Last time I came, I had to stop a lot just to let like the bikers pass. And yeah, so today probably not. The trail's pretty wet, lots of water along it, so there's most likely not going to be a whole lot of bikers. But it's just a beautiful day. Guys, it is so quiet and very peaceful over here. Wow, and it's so pretty. I've never been to this part last time, so it's nice. You can see the water, and there's like remnants of the ice. You can see it looks like snow, but it's really just ice that hasn't melted yet. But it probably will melt by Sunday because it's gonna be really warm on Sunday. But yeah, I'm just enjoying the sunshine. Feels so good. I literally cannot live anywhere where the sun does not shine. Like, I would not be able to survive because I love the sun. Yeah, definitely need the sun in my life. But I'm gonna continue on this hike. It's such a beautiful day. Like, I literally could just be out here all day if it were up to me. So there is a bench here that you can sit at. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so I made it back to my car. That was such a great hike. And one thing I always do when I get back to my car is change out of my hiking shoes into my sandals. So I'm gonna do that now. Besides hiking, this is probably one of my favorite things to do after a hike is literally to just like be able to take off the boots and my hiking shoes. Feels so good. That concludes my hiking day. I'm gonna go and see if I can get some lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and coming along this hike with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with all of my wonderful hiking adventures, and I will see y'all on the next hike.